Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options. Then we need to select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space / fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type cd space windows / system32 / config / regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space / export space c : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.